Have you ever thought about the differences between a data analyst, data engineer, and data scientist? These roles might sound similar, but they each play a unique part in the data ecosystem. A data engineer is like the architect of data. They build the pipelines and warehouses that store and manage data. For instance, in a food factory, they ensure that sensor data flows seamlessly from IoT devices to databases, making it ready for analysis. Then we have the data analyst, the insight finder. They dive into the data, creating reports and dashboards that reveal trends. Imagine a data analyst at a train station analyzing passenger patterns to optimize services, crucial for improving efficiency. Finally, the data scientist takes it a step further. They leverage machine learning to predict future trends. In our factory example, they might develop a model to forecast machine failures, enabling preventive maintenance and saving costs. So, to sum it up, data engineers manage databases, data analysts analyze data, and data scientists build predictive models. Each role is vital in transforming raw data into actionable insights. Which one intrigues you the most?